Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hack for your camera strap. Alright, so I've got my Canon M50 here, and I recently just got this camera, and it comes with a strap. But if you've tried to put that camera strap on, it takes forever. So it comes with something like this, and you've got to undo this part and then redo that part and then attach it through there and then re-put it back in there. And it's just a hassle, especially if you want to be able to take this strap on and off really quickly. So I'm going to show you guys the DIY method to make this easier and simpler, and you don't need to buy a new strap. So first thing that you need are two of these kind of keychain type rings. I actually found these around my home. You can get smaller ones. These are a little bit bigger, but they work and I already had them, so I'm going to use these. Then you're going to need these S-Beaner type clips. They're like a Microlock clip, and I'll have a link to these down in the description below. You want to make sure to get the smallest ones. And just to give you a comparison size here is a Canadian loonie to the S-Beaner lock here, Microlock. You want to make sure that it's their smallest one, and I'll have the direct link in the description below. And that's all that you're going to need is your strap, these two things, and then these two. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put this on the two sides of the camera here. So I've got this here, and you want to just put these on. Once you have these on, these can stay on. You don't need to take these off all the time. So you have one, and then I'm going to do the other one. There you go. You've got them both on. Then you want to take your strap and make it so that you have two loops on each side. And so I did them like this. And you want to size it out accordingly. So I just did like a general length here. And then these clips, these are really cool because they actually have a little lock on them. If you look here right in the middle, this thing twists. But I find that I don't need to use the lock, but if you do turn the lock on, then you can't actually open the two sides of the clips, and there's two sides that you're going to be using. But I find that leaving them open is fine, and then you can just do something like that. So now, from here, you take your camera strap, and you got the two ends of the camera strap here, and then you just loop it through. Once you've prepared your camera strap, that's going to take a couple minutes to do. And then you've got one side, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And you've got it here. Once you've got your two sides done, you can literally just clip them on to the keychain rings. Just like that. Boom, and then boom. And so now, if you decide that you don't need the camera strap, you can easily take it off, just like that, really quickly. If you had to do this manually with just the strap, it would take way longer. Now, like I said, you can get these a little bit smaller, but these are just what I had here, and they're fine. And then when you're ready for the camera strap back on, you just go like that, boom, and then you just go like that, boom. And then there you go. You've got a quick release camera strap. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.